What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. So in today's video, we're going to get up close and personal with my locks because I'm still celebrating my 6-month milestone. I've been locked for 6 months and this is half the year, so I really want to document what my hair looks like at the 6-month mark. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I want to be able to look back and see exactly what my hair looks like. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome to Cat's Coils, and I encourage you to scroll down and check all of my past videos just so that you can get an idea of what my texture is, some of the things that I've done to get to this point in my locks journey. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you are enjoying this content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are updated every time I post a new video. We're going to get really up close and personal. I will kind of chit chat throughout this video to kind of talk about parts of my journey. I may even add some clips here and there. So let's get started. So this is a clip from my installation day. The first thing you'll probably notice is that the twists are much bigger than they currently are. And that is because when I initially installed my hair and I spritzed my hair with water, I noticed that my twist started to swell and become much larger than I wanted them to be. So I went back and I made most of the twist into 2. Some of them were small enough, but most of them I turned them into 2. So this is a clip from my 1-month update video. As you can see now, my twists are the size that they currently are, and this is what they look like after 1 month. This is a clip from my 2-month update, and this is where I did my first retie, and so I'm really giving you guys a close-up of what my scalp is looking like because I was pretty proud of myself. I had never done a retie before, and so I was kind of excited to see that my parts were still in place. And here's a texture shot of what my hair looked like after 2 months. I was really surprised that a few of my locks started to get frizzy and the ends were looking really nice. So yeah, this is me at 2 months. So this is a clip of my alopecia spot, and at the 2-month mark I noticed that I was developing this spot. I've been having alopecia for several years now, so yeah, I just wanted to document that. And this is me at 3 months. I just wanted to quickly show you guys my grid and my alopecia spot. And here's my 4-month clip. I was getting my reties in, y'all. Look at this fresh grid. And I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of my parting situation because I was really proud of myself. Here's a texture shot of an individual lock. I wanted to show you that my twists were starting to kind of shrivel up all over my head, and they were starting to create like this spiral S shape, which was kind of interesting. Here is a texture shot of my 5-month update. As you guys can see, my twists were slowly starting to lose their definition at this point. And y'all, my shrinkage, that's all I can say is shrinkage. Yeah. Before I started my locks, my hair was at bra strap length. And yeah, it's right at my shoulders now. My grid is still nice and intact at 5 months. And here is a texture shot of my alopecia spot. Okay, so here's me showing you guys my alopecia spot. Before I get to the spot, I started some baby locks from a previous alopecia spot that had grown back in. So that's what I'm showing you here. I had about 4 or 5 baby locks. And then here is the spot. So it's spreading a little bit, but in the original spot, the hair is starting to grow back in. So this is what my locks are currently looking like at 6 months. And on my birthday, which was in March, I colored my hair. So if you notice, my hair is a little lighter. It's because I colored my locks. And here is a view of my grid. And I think I had interlocked my hair the week prior. So here I'm showing you guys what my grid looks like. If you can also see here, my locks are really starting to form at the root because I had completed maybe 2 or 3 reties at this point. My hair is starting to grow, as you guys can see. It's coming down a little below my shoulders. Here is a view of my alopecia spot. What spot, y'all? My alopecia has grown back in. Here are the baby locks. They are getting longer. Well, this is not a baby lock. This is just a lock that I'm showing you in the general area. But y'all, there is no more bald spot. And I attribute the growth to a product that I've been using called Voice of Hair Elixir Oil. And y'all, you see all this growth? I promise you it's because I've been using that. All right, moving on to the back. I have a few fully formed locks in the back, which I'm kind of excited about. And as you can see, my locks are generally this size, but some of them are a little bigger. Here is a shot of what my texture is looking like. My locks have always been a looser texture in the front. Here are my edges. And because I have alopecia, I believe my edges have always been kind of sensitive. So if you notice, I don't wear my hair pulled back a lot. It's because I have very sensitive edges. So I'm kind of just showing you guys what my locks around my edges are looking like. Yeah, they're pretty healthy, and I'm so thankful for that. All right, so the last few clips are just of my texture at 6 months. And yeah, they are pretty healthy. My ends are pretty healthy. And I'm going to show you here my length, which these locks are kind of inching down my back here a little bit. You know, getting a little longer. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. I really wanted to just document my entire journey and just do a close-up from month 1 all the way up to currently. I'll do another video like this at 12 months. So stay tuned, y'all. I hope you guys are enjoying your locks journey. I know I am. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.